Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter array. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with array. In our last video, we covered the letter Zal. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. Ray, we can say, is a new category from one side, like Ray, Z, Ray, J, Ye. All of them is the men's, like the letters that is, the style is the same. Another hand is like the same, like this three letters that is just coming at the beginning and at the end. It means to the right side of this letters we can connect another letter as well. To the left side of this letters we can connect. Ray, or some people pronouncing raw, have giving the sound of or, ra. Uh, when initial is coming like this one, in middle part is this one, final joint is this one, final joint is this one. In a word, for example, we have roja. Roja. Roja means fasting, taking 1 month fasting, fast, we say roja. Roja nivel parsdi. Roja nivel parsdi. It means fasting is compulsory. Roja fast, Roja nivel means fasting. It means that we must do fast, we must take fast. Pars compulsory. D is. Look, Roja nivel pars the fasting is compulsory. Pars means like that we must do the actions. It means like we have let's say Islam have 5 pillars. Roja is the second pillars of Islam. And like every Muslim that they have the eligibility, it means like they have the like the conditions that it must become like young man, and their health will be good, this and that. That they complete the necessity things, they must take roja. Roja annual the fasting is compulsory. Roja Rarawana da. Roja Rarawana da. Ramadan is coming. Roja means, like Ramadan, the month of Ramadan. Rarawana coming. That is. Look, that. The Roja is, like as a feminine name. By this reason, we say that. It was masculine, then we must say they. Roja Rarawana da. Ramadan is coming. For example, we say, Ahmad Rarawan Day. Ahmad is coming. Or for example, we say Fatima Rarawan. Fatima is coming. Look. For masculine, we must say Rawan and Day. And for feminine, then we say Rawan and the. Roja Rarawan and the. Ramadan is coming. The Roja میاشت نیگده ده. The Roja میاشت نیگده ده. It means the month of Ramadan is near. The Roja, the month of Ramadan. The Roja میاشت the month of Ramadan. نیگده near the is. The Roja میاشت نیگده ده. The month of Ramadan is near. Rang. Another word that raise on it, for example, we have rang. Rang means color. زما د کتابونو رنگ شین دی. زما د کتابونو رنگ شین دی. It means the colors of my books is green. زما means my. د کتابونو books. رنگ color شین green. They is. زما د کتابونو رنگ شین دی. The color of my books is green. We have زه سور رنگ خوښوم. زه سور رنگ خوښوم. It means I like red color. زه means I. سور red. رنگ color. خوښوم like. زه سور رنگ خوښوم. I like red color. دغه کوټ په رنګ کې ښکلی دی. دغه کوټ په رنګ کې ښکلی دی. It means This coat is beautiful in color. دغه کوټ this coat په رنګ کې in a color ښکلی دی beautiful ښکلی beautiful دی is دغه کوټ په رنګ کې ښکلی دی دغه this coat په رنګ کې in color په رنګ کې it means in color رنګ ښکلی beautiful دی is another word that is on it, for example, rana. Rana means light. دا خونه ډېره رڼا لري. دا خونه ډېره رڼا لري. It means this room has a lot of light. دا means this ډېره a lot very رڼا light لري has. دا خونه ډېره رڼا لري. This room has a lot of light. د لمر رڼا ښکلې ده. د لمر رڼا ښکلې ده. It means the sunlight is beautiful. د لمر د sun رڼا light sunlight we can say it's compound verb د لمر رڼا sunlight ښکلې beautiful ده is د لمر رڼا ښکلې ده. The sunlight is beautiful. مهرباني وکړه کړکۍ خلاصه کړه تر څو رڼا ورشي. مهرباني وکړه کړکۍ خلاصه کړه تر څو رڼا ورشي. Please open the window so the light comes in. مهرباني وکړه please. Until this is compound verbs. مهرباني وکړه it means please. کړکۍ خلاصه کړه open the window. کړکۍ window خلاصه کړه open. ترڅو ترڅو means so ترڅو so رڼا ورشي the light رڼا the light ورشي come in ورشي you know like inside it come in مهرباني وکړه کړکۍ خلاصه کړه ترڅو رڼا ورشي. Please open the window so that light comes in. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Roja, roja, fasting. Roja نیول فرض دی. روژه نیول فرض دی. Fasting is compulsory. روژه را روانه ده. روژه را روانه ده. Ramadan is coming. د روژې میاشت نږدې ده. د روژې میاشت نږدې ده. The month of Ramadan is near. رنګ رنګ color. زما د کتابونو رنګ شین دی. زما د کتابونو رنګ شین دی. The color of my books is green. زه سور رنګ خوښوم. زه سور رنګ خوښوم. I like red color. دغه کوټ په رنګ کې ښکلی دی. دغه کوټ په رنګ کې ښکلی دی. This coat is beautiful in color. رڼا رڼا light. دا خونه ډېره رڼا لري. دا خونه ډېره رڼا لري. This room has a lot of light. د لمر رڼا ښکلې ده. د لمر رڼا ښکلې ده. The sunlight is beautiful. مهرباني وکړه کړکۍ خلاصه کړه تر څو رڼا ورشي. مهرباني وکړه کړکۍ خلاصه کړه تر څو رڼا ورشي. Please open the window so that light comes in. If you would like to learn Pashto online, feel free to contact me. I'll taught hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.